Oh shoot, I need to get my Steam Deck case out. Just so that my phone can perch up on top of it. Steam Deck's also at like half battery. To charge it. Hopefully I don't forget to unplug it. The battery will be just fine. I'm alive, I know. Okay, there we go. YouTube account, projects. The hell? Family plan? Grow your channel? No, I'm not interested. Shut up, YouTube. Alright, there we go. Now. Aw. Dang it. I have to, just open up the thing. Create a dashboard, I believe? Yep. And then Stream Manager. And see if pop-out chat will work. Did not work. Okay, cool. Screen with Firefox. There we go. Okay, cool. Turn auto rotate on. There we go. This is not rotating. There we go. Okay, cool. Layout. The layout. Going to add. Did we save this? Save. Whatever. Okay, cool. Now I have chat on both YouTube and Twitch. My phone battery gets low, I'm gonna charge it. But yeah, alright, cool. Now all I have to do is video URL. Alright, cool. Autumn should be banned from politics. What? Okay, cool. 1 second. I'm back. Okay, so what we have planned, right, is that the player is gonna be... like, the player's gonna be... because the player's, like, gonna absorb the enemies, we want the player to, we want the player, because, like, so we decided that, like, we think it would be best for the player to be, like, this amalgamation or, like, experiment in a deep underground lab. And, like, the whole point of the game is that, like, player, being the test experiment, is just trying to escape and get into the real world. Like, get outside and just do whatever. Doesn't know, player does not know the plan then. Like, by then, but yeah. Wait, I should pull, actually. Alright, I forgot. There's, collision course racing. Okay. Ah, here we go. Alright. Cool. Enemy ground. Enemy 1 ground. Oops, no. How's it copy? Whatever. Oh, this is the player. Wait. Why is it... oh no. Hang on. Go in File Manager. 1 second. I am going to, open with a sprite. Excuse me! Holy! No idea where that came from. Okay, uh-oh. Alright guys, I've already started programming. I'm still doing art. Well, I started programming on Monday. But then I didn't do anything on Tuesday. Split Go was fun last night, though, I will say. Yeah. Like, I'm much more of a programmer than an artist, to be honest. So, yeah, if you're doing this, like, if you have a dedicated programmer and dedicated artist, then, like, you can do both simultaneously, and it's really neat. That way, but yeah. Edit. I'm in a sprite right now. I'm just trying to figure out, like, where, like, how to, file? No. Scripts? Oh, right. Okay, whatever. First, I'm gonna actually just center this as best I can, at least. I'm just gonna scale it up. I think that should be good, yeah. Or wait. Hear me out. I do this, right? I keep forgetting you guys can't see when I'm doing nice sprites. Aha! That's not really alright, recording videos, why not? Cannot hear music anymore, but whatever. It's fine. At least you can see my screen. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna scale like hang on. 25 by 23, I think. Is it? Oh, it's 14 by 17. So width is gonna be 14. It's gonna be 17. Okay. Aha. Here we go. Okay, cool. Option to turn off the path shown at the bottom of the screen if yours. Path? Wait, what path at the bottom of the screen? No, yeah, what do you mean the path shown at the bottom of the screen, though? Like the stuff down here? Oh. Oh yeah, no, this is not my actual name. I don't think that this is too personal because it's not my actual name, so, you know. Um, yeah. Yep. Yeah, so I'm fine with it. It's the first 5 letters of my email, but I don't think anyone will be able to guess what my full email actually is, so, you know, doesn't matter for me. I'm just gonna save this. Now, assets, drag and drop the enemy 1 ground. It's like, I have no idea why they're like this. You know? Like, it's just a bunch of empty space. Hmm. So proceeds to send zip bomb to email. uh, joke's on you. I just won't unzip it. Hell yeah. Right, so I'm texting I'm sending in a message to the artist. Just so that, just to get like the sprites just right, you know? A lot of white space for animations. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like with this character, you know? You can really only have like, oh, how many frames of animation? Oh, so it's 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, so 8. Whatever. Still though, it it's right now it's only a single frame, and that's kind of an issue if it's just a single frame. So you know. Okay, I see. All right. Gonna send a message to. I'm just saying I'm gonna crop the sprites so it's well because like okay excuse me. This is a normal sprite, you know, like everything, like the bounding box, like the entire sprite is literally just this, and that's it. Uh, this is really good because it's uniform essentially. However, this has a lot of it's like the center of the sprite is not the center of the image, and you kind of want the center of the sprite to be the center of the image. Just for positioning reasons and whatnot, for coding and whatnot. But yeah, um, anywho, oops, uninclude his arm. Yeah. Okay. That's that really. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Um. No. Nope. No. Keep overshooting or undershooting his right arm. 13 by 32. Okay. You don't know how to crop something in Aseprite, only in Krita. Okay. So literally all you have to do, you just go to sprite size, and then if you do it this way, say I do it to 16 by 16, it scales the sprite down, like it scales the entire image down with it, like the entire sprite. If, however, you do canvas size, which shortcut is C, 13 by 32, it does not scale anything at all. It's moving the canvas size is essentially cropping. And then like this sprite size is essentially just scaling the image down, pretty much, like the entire thing. You can use a shortcut to remove any. Oh, I'm sure there's one in Aseprite, maybe. Maybe. Keyboard shortcuts. Space. What's it called? Are these? Oh no. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, okay. Canvas size. Scroll to center of canvas. Um. Okay, yeah, I don't know if Aseprite has one, but I'm sure there could be plugins. Plus, I'm using most likely an older version of Aseprite because I compiled it myself, which is completely legal and completely fine with the creator. And this thing is fine, I guess, since you can still move the entire canvas in the same menu with those. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, anywho, gonna save that. Just gonna close Aseprite now. Now the why is he so fat here? I guess it's okay. Yeah, that makes sense. It's just the thing, the preview, I guess. Anywho, oh, I know I did that too at first, but bought it now because updating is nice and having space on my PC too. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, cause like, yeah, if you I'm not really an artist, so I don't think I would benefit the most from, or at least I'm not a very good artist, and I don't really have a passion for making like visual art, like sprites and images and whatnot. Uh, so like kudos to anyone who does do that. So, but I just don't find the $20 be worth it for me specifically, for me personally. But yeah. All right. Yeah. By the way, I am also streaming on Twitch. If you want lower latency, that is also a way to have that. Unless you're on mobile, then YouTube is better. Like objectively, the YouTube mobile app is better for like live streaming, or at least no watching live streams. I mean, but yeah. I am just checking Discord. That's it. All right. Oh right, I need to switch thing. No, game dev. There we go. Okay, cool. I like the pro. Yeah, it's really good. It is good for pixel art, yes. And I also really like how it's still free and open source, or at the very least open source, because like there's even instructions on the official GitHub repository on how to compile it yourself. And like you can literally, I'm sure there are some scripts like out there that you can run that just compile, check for updates, like automatically when you run the script, and if there is updates for anything, Aseprite or any of its dependencies, or if there's like a new dependency or something, then yeah, you literally just run it. Well, shift click doesn't work. I'm on YouTube because I have an account. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, like, yeah. Whichever one you want to be on, that's completely fine. That's partially why I'm also streaming on both platforms. Uh, There's a really neat plugin for streaming on YouTube and Twitch at the same time for OBS, and I respond late because I'm pretty slow and I'm still competing. That's fair, yeah. If you wanna lurk, that's also completely fine with me. I mainly just stream, not really to build a community or to like make content. I just stream to just show off what I'm doing, you know? But yeah. Anywho. Enemy 1 ground. Oh, wait, what? Why? Oh, right, hang on. Okay. Alright, I guess this will be the size of the enemy. I don't know why I did a voice crack there, but whatever. Oh no. Alright, yeah, because it's... Okay. Fair enough. I think because this is an enemy, so I think I'll just extend its hitbox. Here, you know? Yeah, so like extend the hitbox, like... I like talking, that's cool, yeah. Oh yeah. For me, personally, like, if I'm talking, then I can't really, do anything else. Really that effectively, at least, or efficiently. But yeah. Or like, I have to focus on one thing or the other, so like, either my efficiency is not that good, or my talking is not that good, or commentary is not that good, so, yeah. Anywho. No, not enemy. I want player. But I want to get better at it so I can actually talk well and be that's fair. Yeah. Hell, like, I myself am native with English, because I'm American. But, like, at least that's my nationality. But, like, English is hard, though. Like, it's still really difficult. And definitely, like, kudos to anyone who's trying to learn the language. Like, I am definitely very much willing to help people who are not, like, fluent or not very good at English to learn English. Like, not necessarily, like, as a teacher, but more so, like, as a, like, if they make some mistake. Not necessarily a mistake, but, like, if they type something that's, like, that, like, I can still understand your gist of. But, like, the wording is a little confusing. Then, yeah, I can point that out if people would like, but I don't always do it, if at all, because it comes off as annoying at times. I know, I'm pretty confident typing, but my accent sucks and speaking English is slow, yeah. Yeah. Accents are really weird. Oh, man. Anywho. But yeah, animation player. So I don't think we should, that's collision shape, okay. The 0.5, right? Yeah, okay. Scale, right? Okay, cool. Learning English well without mistakes, I just don't do that sometimes. Kind of getting sick of this language already. Yeah. I, oh man. I don't really remember if there was any specific times that this happened, but I do remember, like, thinking, like, why the hell is English like this, you know? But yeah, it is definitely weird. Scale, should we do, like, 0.75, maybe? Yeah, okay. And then, okay, so if it's 0.75, and I also want the collision shape to be 0.75 at the very end, you know. So this is good, I think. Wait, no, hang on. It's going down. 9. It was 7. What's half of 7? 3.5. For me, it was seeing this poster in English class highlighting how some words with the same vowels are pronounced differently. Like, yeah. Yeah. Vowels. Truth, though, and rough. Yes. Oh, man. English is not consistent at all, and it's like one of the worst things about it, but yeah. 3.5. Is it 2.5 maybe? 2.25? Aha, 2.25, I see. Okay, cool. 25 and 0.75. There we go. Okay, cool. Hell yeah. Alright. Let's see. Oh shoot, wait, hang on. Okay, yeah, you can see my screen, or apps. Hold on. So, I think instead of is moving, I should do, v.x is not, is, 0 approx velocity.x. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works. Oh, right. Yeah, hang on. Because I'm setting velocity.x to 0 if the player is not moving. That's probably not good. Lf is ducking. Lf not is ducking. And, okay, yeah. Not times... No, what? No. Not... No, hang on. What the hell? I don't think the streams can see running the project. Wait, it can't? 1 second. Oh, you know what? That may actually make sense. So instead of making it floating. Okay. And Godot, let me... Instead of the same executable, same type. What about that, huh? Nope, still no? Okay. This is client area. Whatever, I don't know what client area. What if I disable that then? Oh, I see. So this is essentially just like the up here. I see. Okay. Let me enable that then, because it's just that size. Automatic. Okay, so Godot is so weird because like, why can you not see any? Okay, so like I have to use the capture method is Windows 10, 1903 and up. And but like automatic is the one that's for Windows 7 and up. Oh. Oh, why did I press Control S on OBS? That's probably why. Okay. But then, like, why? Hang on. 1 second. Game. Make it floating. And now. Um. Window capture. Godot. Control S even outside of game dev couldn't be me. Dude, it's just a habit. Come on. You know, like I'm scared of something crashing and I lose a lot of progress. So, an instinct. You're not a real game dev if you don't press Control S everywhere to save something. Even in web browser, even in web browsers. Godot, project one. Type debug. One. Really? What? Why can you not see anything? Oh, wait, no, yeah, okay, I see. Because it's, huh. That's weird. What? Why is there two, anyway? Hang on. Whoops. Wait, what? Huh. Not same type. Window title must match then. Do debug? Where's debug? Where's the go.exe? Hang on. Doe engine. There's two. In task manager. Can you not embed the game? Control S pops. Name I sometimes press it. Sorry, I did not see your. I was focused on this. I apologize for not seeing messages. So you can press Control S, pops up the sticker menu in Discord. Oh yeah. I think I did, maybe. That's cool. Also, I don't like. Yes, I can embed the game. Embed game on next play. Like if I don't do that, like it just because like it really just opens up in a new window anyway. Embed the game. I can embed it, but like right now, Godot uses some window shenanigans to get the thing working. Like you can't like if I focus the actual game itself. You can't see anything, so So yeah, so like I'm not entirely sure. Hang on. OBS embed. Oh, I can't even see the menu what pops up when you choose embed again. Yeah. Yes. Someone had that problem when they were streaming on Discord, but they somehow fixed it. I have no idea how. OBS WebSocket GD. Control. Oh no. Game and let me let not showing on OBS. Can capture embedded game with OBS. Issue arises when the embedded game and when do not share the same. Oh, so they share the same exe file and name. Okay. Run the game with make game works. Oh, okay, yeah. So I just make it floating. Game source. Oh, not window. Might be old, but hang on. Old info. I don't know though. Add game capture. So project. Specific window. Window is this. Aha! Okay. Capture audio. Yes, capture third-party overlays. Okay. Okay, found out how to do it. Yeah, so it was just straight up a game capture, not a so weird. Let me open up the asset library. What if I don't make it floating? Will it still go up? No. Aww. Okay. So I literally have to have it floating. Oh, now you can see like the full thing now. Okay. Wait, no. The other thing. Maybe. There's two things that are called PPJJGG game and then parentheses debug. It's with the same executable as the as Godot engine. Like they both are displaying this, you know? Now that I have this, I could just straight up remove the GIFs. Maybe. Oh shoot, my phone turned off. There we go. I can see chat again. It just turned off, so, it's so weird though. Any full screen application, foreground window with hotkey. Window. Okay, and now, because it's floating, right? Now, capture it. There we go. Okay, good. Now it's here again. I think I might have to move. Ooh, whoops. Shrink this a little bit. I'm not using like the full space for a music B anyway, so it should be fine. I can just stretch this. Okay. And this one can go like up here. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, yeah, and then I just stretch this like all the way down. There we go. Hell yeah. Okay, I'm on a 1 monitor setup? No, I'm on 3 monitors. It's just that sometimes I have OBS up on my left monitor. Well, I have technically 3 because laptop and then 2 monitors connected to it, but yeah. I could even connect a 4th, but that just decreases performance like quite a bit, and so I don't. Plus, I don't really have space on my desk for a 4th monitor, so yeah. At least not like a full size, or not like a typical monitor. So, yeah. Okay, let's see. So like it just keeps moving, but that was just a debug. Now, and it doesn't show up again. It does! Okay, that is huge. That is huge, actually. Okay, wait, what if? Hear me out. Hear me out. I put these, like, in their typical positions. However, I stretch them out. So that, like... One second. Fill the void with some random gift that's entire purpose is to be obscure. Yes, exactly. Yeah. That's what I was doing. There we go. Hell yeah. Alrighty. Press F6 and OBS because OBS was the last window. Anywho, now it should show up to debug. Yippee! Okay. Not very fast with capturing the thing, but... Is there any way I can, like crossfire capture mode slow? What does that do? Okay, that appears a lot slower, and so I don't like it. I don't think I want SLI crossfire capture mode. I don't even know what that does. Anti-cheat compatibility hook? No. Hook rate. I don't know. Okay, cool. Actually, you know what? I should push my changes. Water shader dodge. Oh yeah, that's rapier. Godot rapier. Godot rapier is just a what's it called? Physics engine. For 2D and 3D, but I'm using it for 2D only. Mainly because we're only using 2D for this game, but yeah. Okay, physics engine. I gotta push my changes. Why is it taking so long? Oh right, yeah, no, because I'm uploading quite a bit already because of stream. 2 streams actually. Anywho, Framed and cropped images. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, no, this is just the enemy scene. Player.scene, just player move. Right, yeah, okay. Custom physics engine, not just a Godot physics engine? Yeah, kinda. Yeah, you can really do that using plugins. It's very simple to do. You just install the plugin. 1 second, let me push changes. Like, you really just install a plugin. It doesn't even show up in the plugins thing because it literally shows up here. This is Rapier. Jolt Physics used to be a plugin for Godot until like it became integrated with the engine itself. But it's only 3D, sadly. So, but there is Rapier physics, Rapier 2D physics. So yeah. I don't know if it's entirely necessary, but It's at least better than the built-in Godot physics engine. Oh, why? Oh. Just in case, I guess. That's it. I'm sorry, English is hard. I misread stuff sometimes. But yeah. Yeah, I guess it's just in case. I was just wondering because I find the built-in physics engine sufficient most of the. Yeah, that's fair. I just because like it's not perfect, and there's other much better like still free and open source and physics engines, and so or like physics systems or whatever it's officially called. So yeah. Plus, it can be more performant at times, I guess. But also, Rapier physics, even in 2D, apparently supports water, or, like liquid physics. So that's neat. But yeah. Anyway, velocity.x is we're gonna lerp it, and slide lerp too. Delta times 10, I guess. Why not? But not equals, plus equals. I know that in a 3.x there's a built-in add-on called box. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I remember that. Well, no, I wasn't there for a 3.x, but hang on. No, I think that's literally an add-on right now. So. Box 2D. Yep, it is. Godot Box 2D. Unmaintained. Yeah. Same nodes, yeah. Box 2D physics, yeah. So it is. Saw some tutorials from that version. That's fair. Ooh, Raffle's live. I can just barely see it from my Twitch thingy on my phone. So. Anywho, hopefully this works. Should work at least. What? Right, I still need to clamp it. Okay, yeah. Forgot I needed to clamp. Wait, what? Why is it... Oh! Not is moving. Gameplay and then gone. Yeah, it shows up a little slow. I don't think I can fix it. But yeah, it was just the player was stuttering. But yeah. Oh wait, no, hang on. So, is ducking. If the player is ducking, but delta times slide slowdown speed, I guess. Why not? Shrink, yeah. This is duck. Why is it still going? Hang on. Else, alert T is 0.0. I'm just gonna add that as a just in case, because I don't know what the hell happened there. Wait, what? If is moving. Oh. Right, okay. No, hang on. I should set it to 1.0. And then lerp it. What? Oh my goodness. Okay. moving. Else is equal to 1.0, and then we're gonna... What? No, why are we doing velocity dot... Hang on. Velocity dot x. There we go. Okay, cool. Whatever, I'm just gonna set velocity dot x. Might want to use a state machine? Nah, I got this. Like it slides to a halt. Okay, cool. That's neat. Should I just apply... Hang on. Apply gravity. It's like, right now I have it in apply gravity, so that, like, if the player is falling down, then, like, the player... Like, if the player... This is so messy. Okay, if I have to edit this somehow, then I will add a state machine. But if I don't, then I'm just not gonna, because this is only a week-long game jam. And, scalability and maintainability is not, like, the most important when making a game for a game jam. So in apply gravity, right? Right now I'm just, like, if the player is moving down, like, actively moving down, so, like, velocity.y is 1, or the sign of velocity.y is 1. So, like, if the sign of velocity, if the vertical velocity is positive, which is, down in 2D Godot. Also helps with bug fixing. Yes, I know. I know. But I'll be fine. I think this is good enough, actually, yeah. Less than or equal to 0, and not is jumping. About y equals 0.0, and t dot y minus equals Well, hang on, I don't think I need to do that then, because this is only going to do it once, right? Theoretically? Maybe? Not is jumping. LF sign is still less than or equal to 0, and is jumping. The player is jump. Wait. Oh. Oh. Oh wait, no, not is jumping actually. We want input jump. Um, so we're just gonna divide velocity dot y by 1,000. Let's see if that works. Does that feel smooth? Or maybe? What if it's just 100 then? I'm just messing around with values, that's all. I think that feels good, yeah, okay. Wait, hang on, what if I just divide equals 10? Divide... oh shit. Oops, hang on. There we go. Okay, what if I just divide it by 2, then? I think 1,000 was like pretty much just setting it to 0. I think, yeah, dividing it by 2 is definitely good. Times equals 0.5. Okay, cool. That was 1.5, I guess. Why not? Alright, okay. Alright, cause like is jumping is input jump and is on floor. Like input jump can just be true constantly and player won't like infinitely go on jump, so. Okay, Okay, so like this is essentially a state machine, right? Kinda. Is ducking, is jumping, and is moving. They are, well, no, they're not. It's not a state machine actually. Yeah, because they can have separate things happen. But yeah. Anywho, um. Sliding, use enums for a state machine into the match. Yeah, I know. Or, yeah, I know I can use an enum for a state machine, but like, we're using nodes. Yeah. Like, that takes time, and in a game jam, you don't have time. I'm pushing right now, so give me a sec. Lighting works better. Right. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh shit, some GWs in the VC. How long have I been streaming for? Oh, pretty much exactly an hour. Okay. See, really, I do agree that the ladder takes time, though. But nice to have options. Yes, absolutely, it's nice to have options. I'm just like, if I was gonna work on a game for more than a week, then yes, I would definitely want better maintainability, and I definitely would make this code like not this shit, you know. But yeah, yes, like, you know, with the tank game that I put in showcase, like before the game jam started, right? I was using a state machine, or state charts actually, but still. And I was just, it took a while to set up. What the fuck you mean take a break? Shut up, YouTube. Yeah, but yeah, I did, oh, what's it called? Yeah, it did take some time to set up the state charts, I mean. And that you just kind of don't really have in the game jam, so, yeah. Like, every hour counts. GW's playing Splitgate? Hang on. Why is the editor, like, there? Hang on. Why is... And why... Oh, no. Did it... Ah, okay. Yeah, the editor. Okay. Anyway, I gotta go now. ADHD says so. Also, JW's on Splitgate too, and I want to join him, so... Anyway, y'all have... thanks for joining in, Sakai, and... whoever else joined in, I don't know if anyone else did, but thank you for joining, but...